Hey everyone! In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the Setup How Much White to Use Under Black wizard. This wizard controls how much white to use under black and very dark areas. While in theory, you don't need to add any white under solid black, in reality, with digital printing, you'll need to add some. Doing so can help add opacity for UV, while reducing fading and cracking for apparel using DTG and DTF printing processes. The wizard has two printing steps. First, it will print variations of the amount of white ink under black areas. The second step prints variations of the amount of white ink in areas where the shirt will partly show through. These steps enable you to select the best setting for your setup. For this reason, it's a good idea to work with a file that has a fade or transparency. To start, go to the Q menu. Select Setup How Much White to Use Under Black. This will open the dialog. Select the page size of your print bed. Choose the graphic that you would like to perform the print variations with. Finally, set the size you would like to print the graphic. Now, click Next. In this next dialog, we select a minimum and maximum range of white under black for the first test print. I'm choosing 0% white under black for the minimum value and strong 100% white under black for the maximum value. I'm going to have the samples set to increments of 2. Next, click Print Under Base Strength Chart. You will now see 6 jobs with varying amounts of white under black from 0 to 100% white. It's good practice to print the samples to get a real-world indication of which setting would be best. Right-click on one of the jobs and select Print from the menu or click on the print icon at the top. With DTG, ideal settings depend on the printer, the garment, and the pretreatment. We suggest asking the manufacturer for more advice regarding this. For DTF, the powder glue only sticks to the white ink, so you need to do the white under black quite high, at about 60 to 80% minimum. After printing the samples, reviewing the results, and deciding on the best setting, go back to the Set How Much White to Use Under Black dialog, type the value in the preferred underbase strength value area, or select one from the drop-down list and click Next. Now we come to the second part of the wizard, to fine-tune the white levels and the amount of underbase white used in the transparent areas. You can choose from 4 different charts: strong white midtones shadows, medium plus white midtones shadows, medium white midtones shadows, and light white midtones shadows. Here, we chose medium white midtones shadows. A white separation curve is used, and here you can see that in the midtones and shadows, the white is reduced. You should print the variations. Click Print White Level Chart to review your best setting. The chart has created 4 options for the medium white midtones shadows ink chart: A3, B3, C3, and D3. As with the underbase strength chart, print these out and choose the setting you want to use. These are the white separation curves used for the print. They have different start points for printing white. Once you've decided which value to use, select it from the drop-down list on the right for the preferred white level from the chart. If you're not happy with the medium white midtones shadows ink chart, try one of the other settings. View raw data gives an idea of how the different settings will look. As before, you should print the design to accurately see the difference. Printing out multiple designs can help achieve the best settings. Print these out as previously explained. Then click Next. To finish the Set How Much White to Use Under Black wizard, you'll choose from 3 options: Only Apply to the Queue, Apply to the current print mode, and Create a new print mode. We recommend that you create a new print mode. Click Finish to close the wizard. The new print mode has now been added with the chosen white under black settings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering all of Catling's products.